Hi folks, Robert here, and I just want to bring you guys in on one of my little projects that I do from time to time. So we got this block of land here, and they want to have a church in a parking lot. Gonna be a tight squeeze, but let's see what we can do. So here, this is basically that lot now in Revit. So sort of work this out here. We can get the lot here. Got these trees back here that might be an issue, and a few trees here. We kind of push the driveway back. Okay, so then we'll go and have a look at our floor plan. It's basic. They just want an entry here, men's bathroom, a vestibule here, woman's bathroom, and then the basic sanctuary here, and hallway exit out in the bathroom here, and utility, maybe a baptism pool, and then, whatever else they would have. So that's after that, basically, we all know how to do this. You would then go and look at our roof plan. So here on our roof, these are going to be trusses, and I've got them basically, just depends on the span, what the engineer is and what that area is in that locale, because, basically, it might be wider. Let me put this in shaded view. I want to just highlight this, and I want to right click here, and I want to overwrite graphics in view by element. I want to drop this transparency down so we can kind of see what's going on here to like 50% or 50 or whatever. Apply. Okay. So there's our roof for that. And we don't know exactly where that span would be, but that's basically it for the roof. And then we would go and have a look at our roof plan. We will have our sections here. Well, I'm sorry, our elevations. There's our west elevation, our south, our east and our west. And then we might, add details and whatever we would have here. And then after that comes our building sections. We're just looking at a long section through the entire building showing the trusses and whatever. Then we work on the floor and other different elements. So, but this is basically how you do that here. Fairly simple. I'm trying to see if I can pick that viewer up without messing up something here. But yeah, we're going to 3D view here. But that's basically how you would do a church. Now, what these walls are going to be, I don't know. It's just a small church on that little block of land. I don't know, maybe 100 people, certain number of parking lots here. So it works out good. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this, and everybody be safe. Okay, and then here's our model window viewer, the same church or building. So that's it. Real simple thing, Anybody want to have the link or whatever, please just drop a note. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me see if I can explode this guy. I don't remember. Explode. Wow. There you go. Yep. Yep. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And everybody be safe.